problem related to the state transition matrix. So find the state transition matrix for the given state model. So here there is an input equation that is given as x dot 1 x dot 2 matrix in that sense. So this is the input equation and this is the output equation. So from this we need to find the state transition matrix. So we know that state transition matrix is denoted by phi of t, which is nothing but L inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. So this is the, if you calculate this particular value, it will be equal to state transition matrix STM. So from this we already know that in general form input equation is written as x dot is equals to ax plus bu, and output y is represented as cx plus du. So upon comparing these two equations with the given question, we get A matrix is equals to 1 1 0 1 and B matrix is equals to 1 1. This is the A, this is x dot, this is B, this is x, and this is u, and this is C matrix, and this is x matrix, and plus du will be there. Here du term are not there, means simply d is equals to 0. So C is equals to a row matrix, that is 1 1, and d is equals to 0. In most of the cases we can observe d will be equals to 0. So first let us calculate Si. So Si is nothing but S multiplied with identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So we have Si as S 0 0 S. So this is the Si. Now let's calculate Si minus A. So Si minus A is nothing but S 0 0 S minus A matrix. So A matrix is this one, that is 1 0 1 1. So we get S minus 1 0 minus 1 and S minus 1. So this is the Si minus 1 we have got. Now in order to calculate the inverse of any matrix, that is in order to calculate Si minus A whole inverse, we need to calculate adjoint of the same matrix, that is Si minus A. Then we need to divide that particular adjoint matrix with the determinant of Si minus A. Then we will get the inverse of the matrix. So let us calculate the adjoint of Si minus A matrix. So adjoint of any 2 cross 2 matrix can be written as, for suppose if it is A B C D, then this is equals to A in A, then A inverse will be equals to, sorry, not A inverse, then adjoint of A is equals to, you just interchange these two terms, that is like DA, and you just multiply with minus term to this particular off diagonal elements, not off diagonal, other than the principal diagonal elements. So this is how we need to write the adjoint of a matrix. So similarly, if I have to write the adjoint of Si minus A matrix, then my terms will be interchange these two. So S minus 1, S minus 1 and 0 1. So here it will become plus 1 now, because in the above case it is minus 1. So we have got adjoint. Now let us find the determinant of Si minus A matrix. So determinant of Si minus A is, for 2 by 2 matrix, determinant will be AD minus BC. So this is the formula. So here it will be S minus 1 whole square minus 0, which is equals to S minus 1 whole square. So now if you divide adjoint of Si minus A with det of Si minus A, we will get Si minus A whole inverse, which is nothing but 1 by S minus 1 0 1. Actually here it is square and here it is 1. So here it is 0 by S minus 1 whole square, and here 1 by s minus 1 whole square, here s minus 1 upon s minus 1 whole square. So finally I will get something like, here s minus 1 and 1 will be get cancelled, so I have 1 by s minus 1, here it will be 0, here 1 by s minus 1 whole square, and here also 1 by s minus 1 I will get. So this is the Si minus A whole inverse I have got. So actually phi of T transition matrix is equals to L inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. So L inverse of the matrix what we have obtained here in the last case, this is the matrix we have got, that is Si minus A whole inverse. So L inverse of that particular matrix, that is 1 upon s minus 1 0, 1 upon s minus 1 whole square, 1 upon s minus 1. So applying Laplace inverse Laplace to this whole matrix, we will get something like phi of t is equals to Laplace inverse of 1 by 1 s minus 1 is equals to, according to first shifting theorem, we will have e power t, here 0, t into e power t, and here e power t. So this is called the state transition matrix STM for given state model.